Hi, I just wanted to make a short video on how to debug a Rust project using WinDbg. So this is pretty obvious, but you will need to have WinDbg installed. You can get it by downloading the Windows SDK of your choice. I'm using the Windows 7 SDK here, but 10 works fine too. Next, you will need to build your project using Cargo. I tried debugging a build that just used Rust C, but didn't really have any luck there, so I think Cargo is actually required here. Before you build your project, you should also make sure that you're using the MSVC compiler toolchain. If you're on Windows, that's the one that should be installed by default if you're using RustUp. If you're using RustUp, you can also check which toolchain you're using the RustUp show command. Now, open WinDbg and click on File. Select Open Executable and open up the executable file for your project. If you're using a debug build, this will be located in the target/debug directory of your project. If you've built your project previously, you might find other executables with the same name plus a hash. As far as I know, these are just older builds of your project. It doesn't hurt to check the dates on the executables though, just to be certain that you're using the latest build. From what I can tell, the latest one won't have a hash after it. For this dialog, I just choose yes, though you can choose either option depending on whether or not you want to save your workspace settings. At this point, WinDbg should be debugging your code. It'll break before executing the body of your main function, allowing you time to set some breakpoints. Now you will want to open up a source file. Click File again and select Open Source File. Change the filter to show all files instead of just C/C++ source files. When you have found the file you want to set a breakpoint in, double-click it to open it. At this point, you should be able to set breakpoints using the F9 key on your keyboard. You can just click Yes to dismiss this dialog. When you're ready to hit your breakpoint, press F5 on your keyboard to execute your main function. You can also view local variables in the call stack using the View menu. And with that, you should have enough information to at least begin debugging your Rust programs.